Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 LDV V80 SV7A van, stock reference number 3940. This shape runs from the first month 2013 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left guard has a small dent on the front edge. Left car door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear sliding door also appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Bumper cover does have a few scuffs, park sensor type, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has a few small dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory media player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.